All right, guys, we are back today at our Eisenhower new build. We have so much that has happened since the last time I've been here, mostly the walls. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. You can totally get a feel for the layout, and we got tile going in today. So we got some cosmetic work coming, and I wanna show you around. Let's go. I'm gonna do a little side by side so you can just see how far we have come. There is literally a whole house up now. You can see the concrete has been poured, 2-car garage is very clear, and here is our entrance. So immediately when we enter, this is going to be the office, or at least that's what it's designed as. Now it is big enough to be a full bedroom, and it does have a closet, so, you know, multifunctional. We're gonna have our half bath right here, followed by a coat closet right here. And then this is gonna be our kitchen. There's gonna be an island right here. You can see the outlets and everything right there, or the plugins. And then this is a massive pantry. And the backyard. Now we can still make some changes to the backyard if you want some specific landscaping, but that's basically what it looks like. I'm gonna take you upstairs. Now this is a laundry room, but it does kind of Jack and Jill into a closet and into the master bath. You can see there's some tile being brought up. I don't really want to go all the way in there, but we got four full bedrooms up here, which is pretty rare for new builds. Usually they do 3 upstairs and maybe 1 or 2 downstairs. And this one, we have 4 upstairs and 1 in the basement. Vaulted ceilings in some of these bedrooms. Super cute. We got 2 furnaces in this house. This is the other bathroom for the 3 bedrooms, aside from that master. Huge rec area you could have over here, a little living room, a little chill hangout spot, maybe throw a fitness center over here, whatever you're really feeling. And there is full bath up here, down here. Obviously it's looking very good right now. And this is the downstairs bedroom, of course fully equipped with its own closet. There is that second furnace down there, down here. It's really coming together. Little Harry Potter closet in here. Throw all your unnecessary boyfriends in there. And that is pretty much it, folks. If you would like a private showing, feel free to shoot me a message and we will get you in here. And until then, my name is Broker Guyan, Associate Broker here in the colorful Colorado. And I'll see you all next Wednesday.